Good afternoon, children. This is L.K. Tripathi from LPM Public School, your SST teacher. Dear children, as in the last video we have seen about the major industries located in India as well as in some part of the world. In the same sequence, we have a new video of the same chapter, that is sugar. This is an agro-based industry, very important and useful crop for our different types of production which is required for our daily use. Sugar mills use juice from sugar beet and sugar cane and convert it into granulated sugar crystals. Many uses are there of the sugar. First, we collect the sugar canes and through the sugar cane we produce sugar beet, which is converted into granulated sugar crystals. Different types of crystals are prepared. Not only sugar but also jaggery, which is known as gur, and other type of products we prepare from the sugar cane. And as cane and beet deteriorate in juice content and are perishable in nature, it is necessary for sugar mills to be located near the growing areas. Power and labor are other locational factors. Therefore, to establish the factories, sugar factory, first of all, it is observed that the suitable area is there for production of sugar cane. Favorable condition, soil and climate is required for this production. Then the owner of factories wish to establish the factory nearby the site. Therefore, it is essential that a big part of the land should be there for the production of sugar cane. And to grow the sugar cane, powers and labor, this is also very essential part of the production, should be available easily near the regions, near the location. Russia, the US, France, Germany, Italy and Spain use sugar beet to manufacture sugar, while Cuba, Brazil, Indonesia, Kenya, Pakistan and India use locally grown sugar cane. These are the countries they manufacture sugar. Which are they? Russia, the US, France, Germany, Italy and Spain. But Cuba, Brazil, Indonesia, Kenya, Pakistan and India use locally grown sugar cane. But we don't manufacture sugar directly. We cultivate sugar cane. After it processed, we use it as sugar. Most of the sugar mills in India are located in Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Paper. The coniferous forest trees are best suited for the manufacture of pulp, paper and newsprint. Bamboo fibrous plants and reeds, baggage, juice has been extracted from sugarcane. Provide raw materials for paper mills. What are they? These are the things: bamboos, fibrous plants and reeds, baggage, etc. These are the materials which provide raw materials for paper mills. Besides, paper manufacturing plants also require chemicals such as caustic soda and bleaching powder, large amount of water and power for the machinery. The world's leading producers of paper and newsprint are the US, Canada, Russia, the Scandinavian countries like Norway, Sweden and Denmark. These are the countries which produce raw materials for paper. Germany, UK, France, China, the CIS countries and Japan. India's paper mills are in Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal, Odisha and Maharashtra. Having first developed on a large scale in Germany, aircrafts are manufactured in the UK, France, Italy, China, the US, Russia and Japan. These are the countries